Good morning, guys. It's ATL. What's up, you guys? It's GoDogs4. What you guys been up to? Ain't pretty much anything new, anything so well. Right now, you guys, I'm just relaxing, just chillaxing. Coming up with some ideas. I'm gonna get some game time going today. That's what I'm gonna be trying to do. Keep everything up to date. I'm trying to get everything organized. Trying to get everything organized. Sometimes it's hard to get everything organized, but that's okay, you guys. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm done.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. It's GoDogs4.
Hey guys, I'm just creating some stuff right now, you guys. I'm just trying to figure things out, what I'm gonna add to the games, and trying to make playlists on my channel because I need to make some playlists on my other channel. So that's what we're going to be doing, trying to create some playlists on my channel. So that's, playlists are really good for your channel, really helpful, really helpful with games and stuff. Try to get more people to come in. Sometimes that's hard, but that's what I'm doing right now. So I will talk to you guys when I'm done. The game time that we did today, it took so long to do it, but I really hope you guys enjoy every video that we do. Right now I'm just gonna cook something because I don't know what to have yet. I don't know. I don't know. Like, there's so many foods I can eat. Chicken broccoli, no. Don't know. Chicken and broccoli, that's what I'm going to cook up for now, you guys. So I'll talk to you guys when I cook it up. Hey guys, so right now, you guys, I'm going to clean out this cupboard and see what stuff we have. And look at all them stuff, electronics stuff, or whatever you like to call it. So I'll talk to you guys when I organize it. Here's the inside, you guys, what it looks like, you guys. I'm gonna put the pots right there, like small ones right here, so that's what we are doing. Look how much gadgets we have. We have lots of stuff here. Yeah, too many. Making some turn up, you guys, too, at the same time, so that's pretty cool and amazing. So I'm just adding brown sugar to this. Holy cow, my brown sugar is so hard. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. And then you add butter to it. And then you crush it up afterwards when you're done. Once you're done, you crush it up to make it nice and tasty. Mash it up, I meant to say, not taste. Crush it up, but you mash it. Yeah, you guys mash it. There's my masher. So you just mash it, mash it, mash it, mash it, mash it until you get lots of, no, clumpy. So that's what I'm doing right now, you guys. Mashing it to making more pieces, less pieces. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm done mashing it. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.